Alright, today I'm making a bathroom caddy, and I'm going to use some old cherry wood, and right now I'm resawing it. It's about 6/4 and I'm taking it down to about 3/8 once it's been thicknessed and jointed and thicknessed. And that's what I'm doing right here. I'm joining one face, make it nice and flat. And now we're going to put it through the planer and get it to thickness. Maybe, if I can find the right slot. And I apologize about this angle here. I was trying to be smooth about it and get a nice angle so I could show you a close-up of me doing the rabbit here, but the camera just wouldn't seem to focus, and obviously I didn't know that while I was recording. But that's what I'm doing here. I'm using the rabbits on 2 of the faces, so I'll have a larger surface to do the glue up. And getting that last little piece off and cleaning it up there. Turn off that dust collection. Yeah. And there you go. You see the 2 rabbits there on each side. And like I said, that just gives it more surface to put more glue on. And now I'm making the dados for the dividers. And I was being lazy, didn't feel like putting the dado blades on, the dado stack, but probably would have took about the same amount of time if I just switched it out. Testing the fit over here, and there we go. Perfect fit. Now I'm going to glue it up. Just laying them all down and the orientation they're going to be at makes everything a lot easier. And while I'm gluing up, you look right there above it. That's going to be my next project there. It's for my router bits, a cabinet for my router bits. White oak is what I used on there. Came out really nice. And I'll have that video out pretty soon. And clamping this up. Gonna let it dry for a couple hours. And then we'll glue the base to it. checking for square. Everything's lined up. And now I've got some sandpaper on this piece of plywood. It's nice and flat, and I'm just basically flattening the bottom. So when I glue it to the bottom piece, it will be on a flat surface, and there won't be any gaps. And these are the arms for the handle. I basically just freehand drew these. They weren't quite mirror images, but they were close. But kind of goes along with the theme. I wanted this to look aged. I didn't want it to look brand new. I used some old barn wood, cherry wood, and didn't want it to be just sanded, to extremes. I just wanted to look aged, And I'm cutting excess wood off of the base, so my router bit doesn't have to work as hard. And here in a second, I'll take it over to the router table. Got the flush trim bit riding on the bearing, and quick and easy work of that. Get everything lined up, looking pretty. And while I'm already at the router table, I'm going to go ahead and switch this bit out and put on my little round over bit. And I'm going to round over all the edges and all the pieces. Drill press now, and I'm going to put in some little pockets here for the handle to fit into. It's going to be a 1-inch dowel, and just going to give it a little slot to fit into, and I'll also increase the glue surface as well. So that's what we did here. Here in a second, I'm going to kind of show you what I'm talking about. Get all that dust up in that hose. Bam, just like that. Now I'm gonna glue it up, clamp it up, let it dry. Alright, now I'm gluing some holes for these metal pins I'm going to use. That blue tape there is just to let me know when to stop drilling. Still went all the way through anyway, so it's not like it helped much. That's the pin I'm gonna epoxy that pin in, and that's what I'm gonna use to attach the handles. And I'm using the Danish Watco oil. Love this stuff, man. The ease of use, just wipe it on, and man, I love this stuff. I use it whenever I possibly can. Using some 5-minute epoxy here, and this is what I'm going to use to attach the handle and the horns to the carcass. And yeah, as you can see, there's 3 holes right there. I missed 3 times. Actually, I missed twice. I got it right the 3rd time. But the handle will cover that up. If it wasn't for this video, nobody would know it was there. And I'm getting ready to come to an end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share it. Like it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what I did wrong, what I did right, what I could have done to make it better. I'm always willing to learn. So y'all have a great day.